Hey, what's going on, everybody? I wanted to make this short video showing you guys how basic order flow tools can assist you drastically in your trading in identifying short-term pressure from either the bulls or the bears. And it will allow you to see the lack of continuation from buying or selling efforts that the bulls and bears are putting forward. So I want to give you guys a really good example from today. And this example is a shifting volume point of control moving down in this bearish range, okay? So I want to show you at the open here, I have this profile drawn at the 9:30 open, so New York open. Price popped up and then started dumping through this area. And at the time, right on this dip, the volume point of control was still lying way up here, right? So as price moves on and we make a new low, we start to develop some more volume to the downside. And as I draw this over to this retest right here, this is the S&P 500 E-mini futures. This is the chart from this morning, today, May 28th, Wednesday's low, or I'm sorry, Wednesday's open. So basically, as this volume point of control shifts lower, at this point in time right here at these 36s at 10 o'clock, right as the news drops, price pops up, right? This is the low. We have a lot of this selling aggression that's starting to have a lack of downwards continuation. You could view this as bidders in the market trying to support the market. Price pops up one last time to these 36s right in here. And this is where the market was hanging out just before the open, okay? So the 9:30 open, price pops up a couple points to the 38s. But this is right where the market stopped, right before the open, okay? So when this volume point of control on this volume profile moves down, and these buyers in here are unable to lift it out of these 36s, this tells me that when the market moves down away from all these buyers in here trying to lift the market, what this tells me is that they are unrewarded participants. And this is a pretty good amount of buying that came in, right? Plus 200 delta, plus 200, plus 300, right? All just above this negative delta here at this volume point of control. This is bearish context, okay? So I'm going to show you what happens when the market sells off and then retests this area again. So here's what happens when the market sells off and then retests again. So I'll draw this over to 10:06. Look at what happens to this volume point of control. It moves down from the 36s to the 34s, right? The 33.75s. These 33.75s are now the new volume point of control. And look at what happens when the price tries to pop up into that and get back above it. Look, previous floor now used as a ceiling right in this area, okay? I'll draw a little rectangle over for you guys here. Look, previous floor now used as a ceiling, okay? That is the area that I'm watching. The VPOC moved down to that area. Now, something really powerful that I look for is where is the VWAP, this blue line, volume weighted average price, where is this VWAP in relation to the market now and where it was at the open, okay? In this piece of context right here, this low at the 35s just before this market open rally, where was VWAP when that happened? It was right here at the 34s, okay? Look at where this VPOC is now at the 34s. Look at what happens when the market moves down and retests this area again after like 15 minutes, okay? This VPOC is going to move down again. Look, it creeps down. More volume is being built in this area right here again, okay? This is my entry for today's short. All the selling, getting paid, getting paid, getting paid. The buyers pop it up. They are unable to get it above this block right here. These 31s, 32s, they cannot get it back above this high volume ledge, this high volume node, okay? VPOC rejection yet again. This low volume node in here was on my radar between these 33s and the 31s. If price could pop up and I could find buyers struggling to lift the market up out of this area, just like they did here, and I see the selling start to come right back in after that happens, I am going to take the market short here and target these 59.20s, okay? these 59.20s were on my radar, just a key level from this morning, just this low right here, and this low from this morning. The 59.20s were on my radar. So that was my target. I entered in short. You can see my executions, no BS, right here, short 59.30, buy 59.20. My stop on this setup right here, getting short, preying on the buyers who could not lift for higher prices. My stop for this short was right here at these 33s, okay? So this is where I was willing to get out of the market for a 3-point loss if this short did not work out, okay? Watch. I continue drawing this profile over and over and over, and it continues to move the VPOC down. These sellers just really want to keep selling, right? As the volume shifts down on the day and the VPOC forms and it rejects it again, this is a stair-stepping pattern down. This is a very, very nice downwards continuation trend from this morning, okay? I really, really like this setup. Getting short right here, and as soon as that VPOC flips, I see the pace of the tape speed up, and I see the selling really start to develop here, and I target that 20, okay? I just wanted to go over this quickly. I thought this was a really nice, clean setup, really nice, clean idea that I have found off the order flow, and noticing how you can use this delta and this footprint in this volume profile and this VWAP all together in conjunction to find 2,125 freaking buy orders that were unable to push the market out of these 35s, okay? Vice versa. Or I'm sorry, also, these 1,000 buy orders, 756 that could not lift the market here and then here. So my piece of context for this trade was, okay, the VPOC switched lower, and there's a low volume node just above that where price is now using it as a ceiling, okay? It's just finding these little nuances in these instances of examples with repeatability in this order flow trading system that I use. You guys will be able to use these tools and the way that I view the market to your advantage. If you want to see how I execute setups with these tools day in, day out, live in real time, and show you guys my executions and my entries and my stops and my targets and everything in real time, please send me a DM. Please leave a comment on this video. I am now joined in the Day Trading Institution live trading room where we trade Monday through Friday with order flow trade examples, recaps. We talk about the setups that we see, why we took a trade, why we didn't, good losses, bad losses, you name it. We'll answer questions. If you guys are interested in that, please leave a comment, and please go follow the Day Trading Institution page on Instagram where you will get updates. We'll be launching to the public live in just a couple of days. We'll have more information on that soon. I hope that you guys love this video. Just a really quick video. Wanted to show you the stair-stepping down pattern on the order flow and this VPOC and the reasoning as to why I took this trade short right here, playing this bearish continuation down to my 59.20 key level. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one.